is another app that I just found on Play Store. This app is actually live streaming and also video calling app. Okay, so I just found this particular app on Play Store, and when I go through the review on Play Store, the review is okay. I decided to give it a try. Anything I bring here is what I do. Okay, so this app is an live streaming and also an video calling app. Okay, and you can actually earn on this app according to this particular app. This is actually my first time giving this app a try. Okay, so I decided to make this video. Okay, if you want to give this app a try, you can actually listen to me before you go ahead and download this app called Fuvio. Okay, as you can see on my screen right now. So check if it is available on your country, because this is actually my first time seeing it on Play Store. I think new app. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not sponsored by Fuvio app. Okay, this video is based on my personal experience, and you are free to do your own research before investing your time or investing your money in this app. Okay, make sure you do your own research very well, because anything you see me bring on my platform is what I do. Make sure you do your own research very well before downloading any online app I introduce on my platform. Okay, right now I'm going to show you how you can sign up on this platform successfully. Okay, if you are there watch my video, you notice that I actually start from the beginning to the end. Okay, so I will make sure I explain everything here, how you can actually use this app, okay, for you to use it to earn according to the app. Okay, because this is actually my first time trying this particular app out. Okay, so right now we are going to see that I'm going to go ahead and select my country. Okay, select any country you like. For me, let's United Kingdom. Okay, the reason I selected United Kingdom is just like I feel like let me just select another country. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my date of birth and put in your name and put in your profile picture. Okay, so let me just write my name, choose your gender, make sure anything you want to choose here, choose it carefully. Now you can see choose carefully your gender, make sure you choose it carefully, because if you made a mistake here, I think it's going to be a complicated for you. Okay, so done anything correctly, then submit. Okay, if you submit, it's going to bring you to this interface for you to enable the permission to get the Fuvo experience. Okay, live call, gifts, and everything. Make sure you allow all this process, allow the process. Okay, because if you didn't allow those process, you cannot be able to be using this particular app frequently. Okay, like something like a video calling, live streaming, gifts, and everything. Make sure you allow everything correctly. Now if you log in on this app, this is how you're going to be seeing the interface of this particular app. Okay, many people have been streaming it here, people from different countries. But the thing is that this app is a new. I think is not people from Africa is not that used to it, but so many people are already there. So I decided to go to live streaming and see what people are doing there. And the live stream is cool, everything is quality, and they was okay. Let me just, as you can see, one video call. Okay, this one-on-one video call is that once you enter on your live streaming, automatically you are going to be receiving call on your live streaming. And always note that call can get limited in any app. I keep on saying it, okay? Because you might go there and say, I did not receive call, or I did not receive call can get limited. Okay, it's not every day that you will receive call in app, okay? So you can see different people with different location here on this particular app, okay? So now to keep on going to different places to know what's actually going on, okay? Just navigating the app interface. Okay, so you can see that people and their life. Okay, so I see something like box, you can see that is counting. So okay, let me just know if this thing is actually coins. I decided to wait so that I'll be able to know if this is actually an coin, because it's my first time. I have to know if they are giving a reward of coins. Okay, now I have to go through the gift box to check their this thing, their lucky gift, and also their luxury gift, and also their regular gift as well. Okay, I noticed that it's actually very high, something like 50K, 50K, 100K, okay, and 10K. Okay, so the reward, like the the lucky gift is actually free. I said, okay, so now, but this app, remember, it has live streaming and it actually has party. Anyone you feel like you can do. Okay. Now I'm still waiting for the for the coins to count. Let me check if it's actually any coins, or maybe I decided to pause the video for me to wait. As you can see, I just open it and notice that it's actually an coin. Okay, they give me 100 coin. As you can see, I see. Okay, once you receive it, it's going to go to your gift box. Okay, because you're going to be using it to use it to do exchange or any other thing on the app. Okay, if you want to use it. Okay, right now you're going to see different party there, but party are not that too much. Okay, so now you can see the interface of this particular app. You can see my chat price. Okay, this place is actually how many diamond you're going to earn once you go live streaming. If someone call you, okay, if someone call you, how many diamond that you are going to receive is my chat price. You can update it, but especially if you're in level 1, you can actually leave it. Okay, for you to go live streaming, you need to click on go live and add your title and go live. Okay, you see solo live. This solo live means that once you go there, you can receive call on this app. Okay, so now, but before you can do all of that, please pay attention this side. I'm going to tell you how you can actually become a host on this app. As you can see, identity verification. Okay, you need to complete this thing. You see this thing, for you to complete your KYC and verification, as you can see, complete KYC and verification. As you can see, make sure you complete your KYC and verification on this app before you proceed, because for you to withdraw, you need your KYC verification to be done. Now, if you click on the host, this is where I want you to pay attention. If it does not become a creator here, you cannot be able to earn on this app. Okay, that's the reason why I tell you need to make sure you pay attention this side. Now, creator benefit: earn from gifts sent during your live streaming, access to real-time audience analysis, feature in the discovery ranking. Make sure you join Creator Hub before doing anything on this app. Before even going live stream, make sure you join Creator. You see that place, the red right host. This is where you're going to fill your information, like your name, your application. You see that my application, they need to write about you. Okay, if you don't know how to write something, you need to go ahead to ChatGPT and write something. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, now as you can see, simple video is optional. You need to record and upload a video of 30 seconds of your content lifestyle. Maybe you are going to be dancing there, or maybe you want to chat there. You need to record a video of 30 seconds of yourself and upload. And once they accept it, you become a creator hub on this platform. By then, you have access to video chatting, withdrawing, and all of that according to this particular app. Okay, my first time seeing it. Okay, now this is how to withdraw. You can see views. Okay, see, if you click on it, you are going to see if you click on this withdrawal option, now we are going to see where you're going to be withdrawing. Okay, now remember, this is actually my first time. I haven't withdraw yet. I am still trying it out. Okay, if I withdraw, I'm going to make a video about it. Now we are going to see new withdrawal. Okay, you can see you can withdraw with your crypto, that is your USDT, your Binance Pay, your PayPal, your bank transfer, and pay new. You can see different amount that you need to earn before you can withdraw. Okay, so if you want to withdraw through USDT, you can actually go ahead and withdraw with it. Remember, it's a new app, and anything on this app. Okay, always be alert on this app because anything can change. Okay, this is how this app work. Always make sure before you proceed to do anything, make sure you join Creator Hub. Okay, for you to get access to by performing tasks on this app. Okay, so that is how this particular app work. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section below. Let me know if you have been doing this app for long. Comment on the comment section below and share your experience. Okay, because this is actually my first time seeing this app on the Play Store, and the Play Store review, there is no too much negativity on the Play Store. So okay, let me just try this app out to know how it actually worked. Okay, so I decided to give it a try and also share it here. So it's not all about making money, but you can actually meet people around the world. Okay, for people that love streaming, me I actually love streaming, meeting people, meeting another faces, another country. So that you just hit, okay, you can see that they actually has party, and this is the Play Store. You can see I have tried almost. So I keep on seeing good positive review, positive review. I was like, what? And I have not see, you see that this app is actually on 2026 this year. So it actually makes me to review this application because this is actually 2026 review. 2026 review is what actually attracted me on this app. Okay, anytime I want to use app, even to post it on my platform, I always make sure I go through the review and know what people that are using this app are talking about before proceeding to use it. That is what I actually do. If you want to give this app a try, you can give it a try and give me feedback. And me, actually, I'm doing it right away. So if there is any update, I'm going to be updating it on the comment section below. Thank you so much.